Alright, guys, welcome back to the Nasdaq Daily, the go-to place for every Nasdaq trader. I hope you guys are having a fantastic weekend. I know we had an extra day this week, but now it's time to get back to the charts, and the markets are about to open in hour and a half from now. So I want to get you prepared for the next trading session. And if this is your first time here with me today, it's great to have you. And my job is very important, and that is to help us identify the best trading levels for tomorrow, which is going to be Monday, April the 5th. Today, as usual, I would like to start with where we left off the last time I created a video, which was Wednesday, I believe. And this is it. I'm going to link this video in the description box so you guys can go and check it out and see what my thought process was when I created the video. And as you can see here, I was expecting for us to kind of do a small pullback and then hit these two levels. And what do you know? We didn't do any pullbacks, but we smashed both targets on our long positions. So right now we're going to find out how do we play this channel breakout from here, and what happens when we actually come out of the channel and we kind of don't respect the top line of the channel, and how do we take it from here. We also took out this resistance, which is really good for the bulls. As you can see, we're trading about 100 points above. And I just want to mention here, if you guys have any questions, don't be shy, use the comment section below and I'm going to answer them as soon as possible. So now, that being said, let's look at the charts and see what happened and how did we react to these levels. Now, this current situation here was a little bit different than the normal, because the Friday price action was pretty much, this was when the market was closed. So we can see that, price just didn't move a lot. But the Thursday session pretty much smashed both targets in just one trading session. I know we did not see any pullbacks, but I said once we see this strong breakout out of the channel, you should be targeting, you should have longs and you should be targeting these two levels. And this was just the plan if we saw some kind of a pullback down to this area, which never happened. Now, something interesting is happening here, and I'm going to show you how you can draw a hidden kind of a channel, and you can use these levels right here, and then you can just connect one of the points to be touching the bottom line of the channel, and this is pretty much what we have created right now. But I want to mention something else, and that is that these channels, once they get very parabolic, they usually break out very easy. So it's a lot more secure to be trading off of this kind of a channel than to be trading inside of more of a parabolic channel. And as I said, this action here, it's kind of a this is pretty much nothing on Friday because the markets were closed. So we should definitely expect to see a retest of this level right here, which is the previous high. And that is why now I'm going to switch from resistance to support. And that is how you should be using resistance and support levels. Once we break it, then this becomes your support, and now we are looking for a potential bounce from this level right here. And these I'm going to leave right there for now. So this is the plan, and as you can see, we're going to kind of retest the upper line of the channel. Now I'm going to still leave this channel here because it can also act as support now that we have taken out this higher trend line. And then what is the next level I want to be looking at? I'm going to look at the previous support, obviously, Again, I'm going to use the same method. This was resistance. As you can see here, we tested it, we broke it, so now this becomes our next support. So these two levels are the levels that I'm going to be looking at for buying opportunities if we start selling off once we open the markets. And this level will be very, very good because it will correspond with the channel again. So if you can see here, what is my arrow? If we drop down with time, because this is, now once we open on Monday, we're just gonna start moving kind of from here, and with time we can pretty much catch the exact touch of this channel and this support price. So this is a plan if we see some kind of a sell-off. Obviously, once we see this kind of a move, we can expect to just continue going higher. There is no reason for us to expect, the opposite. So I'm going to show you the bigger picture right now. And where are we at? 340, 690. Yeah, you want to take profits accordingly to any of these levels right here. And I'm going to add a third one because this will be an overshoot of this level, and I'm going to show you how I got this level right here, the 13,690. But we have to zoom out a little bit to kind of get you an idea why I have that level there. So this is a perfect bullish flag right now, and I said that in one of my previous videos. I showed you guys this, and I said this usually breaks to the upside. Like, this consolidation will probably break to the upside, especially when we didn't touch this channel like ever again. We just took off. So once you start touching any of the lines of the channel, this can be a signal of either a reversal or of exhaustion of the current channel that we are at. So this is the main leg, and you can expect to see this exact move to repeat from the lowest point of the consolidation, and that takes us pretty much exactly at this level. And this corresponds with the 650 that I have here. So that is why I'm going to be taking profits on any longs at 650 and probably some before that, because it might take us like 2 or 3 days to get there if we just continue with the upper momentum. And then something very important, it really depends how low we drop if we do a correction from here. But if we see some kind of a pullback like this, then we can do the same thing with this leg right here. And this is a very, very nice strong move. And if you project it, you're going to see that you're going to be taken pretty much to the exact levels. So this is how ABCD moves are created, but you always want to have a plan in advance. So these are our levels for the next trading session, which is going to be Monday. I'm going to move this here. So we're looking to buy at these two levels for potential long entries, and we're looking to take profits at these three levels if we get there. It will be probably hard to get in a single session all the way up to 750 because we are now at 350. That's 400 points move, but 550 is definitely very, very close to us, and 650 will be kind of a nice push. Alright guys, this is my technical analysis for the next trading session. As I said, if you want to have this channel on your chart, just so you can see how price will respond to that channel. But I'm telling you guys, this is probably going to fail. Like, this is not a reliable channel to be trading off, because as I said, this session I'm not really counting anything that happened on Friday when the markets were closed, because this is just nothing. This is just noise. Alright guys, thank you for watching, thank you for your time. I would really appreciate it if you like this video, if I helped you, and if you hit the subscribe button with the bell to receive my next technical analysis, which I'll probably going to record tomorrow if we see some kind of a nice move. If we just range, I'll probably not gonna do another video because nothing changes until we hit